This is a Squirrel Resin keycap. In today's video, we are going to be making some awesome resin keycaps. I'm going to be showing you the process that I took to make them, from 3D printing to epoxy resin to making some molds, and everything that I did to manage to get to this point. I'm going to be showing you everything right now, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. These are the models that I made for the keycaps, and they were designed on Fusion 360. And to combine the Pokemons with the base of the keycap that I designed, I used 3D Builder. And as you can see, detail right here combined with the design that I made of the base for the keycap, I combined them, and in this way I managed to 3D print them. After giving the model some supports and the slicer, 3D printing them and bringing them inside, I washed them and prepared them for the process of painting. The keycaps that you're gonna be using to cast the silicone molds, make sure to wash them really well, otherwise your silicone is not gonna cure. This happened to me already, and it's a waste of materials. And again, we throw them in the curing station. I give them 6 minutes, and after they are done, we are ready for sanding. This is called the C-Bot system. I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description down below. This design is amazing for casting keycaps, and you can find them on Discord. They have a really nice community back there. After we are ready with the mold, we're gonna be preparing the silicone to make the cast. I throw the silicone in a vacuum chamber to remove all the bubbles from it, and this way you're gonna have a strong cast and you're gonna have a smooth surface. After 6 hours, the casts are ready to be demolded. This process I had to do it twice because, like I told you, I did not clean the keycaps correctly, and that was a big mistake. Take your time and clean them well. We started by priming all the keycaps that we're gonna be painting. I highly recommend you to use an airbrush for this process. You're gonna save a lot of paint and you can do it. A lot of the process of painting, I couldn't get it on the video because it's so tiny. I had to get it so close to me to be able to paint them. I made a quick show up of what I did to manage to get them to the point that I made them. And here they are, all completely painted. For this base, I use some beach sand and glue to attach it to the base so it looks like it's in the beach. For the other two, I got some synthetic grass that I use for my other projects and I put it in the top of the key so it looks more interesting. After the glue was dried, I painted the sides on black, but I'm not 100% happy with the final result. Next time I will do something else with it. Now we make some epoxy resin for the silicone molds. Again, make sure to mix it really well, and I'm gonna degas it because I don't have a pressure pot. And again, this is the first time for me doing something like this, so I was not 100% sure of the final result, but I'm really happy with them. And after that, I decided to use some epoxy resin to finally make them 100% clear. Again, this is something that I'm still learning with the process and seeing what works and what doesn't work, and I hope this video helps you to also understand the process, and maybe if you want to try something like this, you can learn from my mistakes. And here's the final result. I'm really happy for it to be my first time doing something like this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know also. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please make sure to let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna be looking forward to your questions. My name is EJ, and I will see you for next time. Bye.